hair we're using, or I'm using for today's tutorial, it's called Multi from Xpression company. I'm using two different colors, color 27 and color 33. And I'm going to be using about 5 packs of this product or hair for today's tutorial. This product is a synthetic hair, but a synthetic hair with difference. The fiber used in making this hair was actually produced by Toyokulon, and the texture of this hair is totally different from every other synthetic hair out there. You can use this product to serve different purposes or to achieve different hairstyles and look, and yeah, this is one of them. The price of this product is about 600 to 1000 naira, I think, I'm not sure, and this product can be found in your local beauty supply store, and for those of us in Nigeria, you can get it in the market, any market. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's tutorial again. Hope you are doing good and great today. The first thing I did off camera was just to section her hair into two different portions, the back part and the front part. The front part is actually smaller than the back part, so the back part is just very small. For the front portion, I'm just curling it this way, just all back. I'm not adding any extension to it. I'm just curling her natural hair. And to let you guys know that it's very important to always wash your client's hair before styling or braiding or even installing waves. This is very important. So I actually did that off camera. I washed her hair and then conditioned it while washing it. Then after that, used hand dryer to just dry it, to blow dry it. So what I'm doing right now is just to curl her hair. That's the front portion, but I'm not completing the tips. I do have a detailed tutorial on how to curl clients' hair for beginners. In case if you are interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So now that I'm done curling the front portion of her hair, for the back, I'm just connecting the front tips to the back curl. And for the back curl, I'm just kind of curling it round in circles. On reaching the front side, I'm just connecting the tips of the front cornrow to the cycle. So we just continue curling the hair, the back side in circles until I'm done. Curling, we just hide the last tip using needle and thread to do so, and yeah, this is what the cornrow for the crochet should look like, especially if you want to kind of style it into a ponytail. This is how to actually cornrow the hair. Once I'm done, we just start crocheting the front part first before I start crocheting the back part and around her head, then before doing the middle part of her head. For the crochet, you just want to push the crochet pin through the braid, open the hook, and then place the extension to the hook and close it. Drag the pin off the cornrow to form a loop. Take the two ends and then pass it through the loop to tie the knot. We'll continue crocheting using the same method, and you can still tie the loop more than once, that is if you want, but once is enough for this particular product because it doesn't loosen easily. We start by crocheting the hair all around the cornrow like I said before doing the middle part. You can actually use 3 packs of this multi to style or to achieve the same style. That is if you don't like full hair. And the middle does not necessarily need to be full, so what you just need to do is just to fill up the front part and the sides and then the back before filling the middle parts. After crocheting the front, we'll just start by crocheting the back so that you'll be able to style the hair in a ponytail. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful and you enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. Leave a comment, share this video to friends and family, and also give this video a big thumbs up. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.